So let's season the chicken. First, we're gonna add some mustard to the chicken. Then we'll add some garlic. Whoa! Garlic powder. We're gonna add some paprika. Oh God. We're gonna add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Then we're gonna add egg powder. So this is what the egg powder coming at. We get it from Jamaica. So what we're gonna do is a little like this. We'll add it to a bowl. Right? Some water, a little tip of water. So a little drop. We're gonna pour a little tip on the chicken. Right? And then we're gonna rub it. So see the little bit of meal? You see after I rub it, if the color, you don't like the color it have, then you can add more. But yeah, I don't want to add too much. So do it little until you get your desired color. Put it under the skin, wherever it needs to be, inside of the chicken. All right. Under the skin. Alright, once you get it everywhere you want it, then cover it, put it in the fridge to cook. Or to start fry. So we have prepared the butter shit for the chicken. So it's flour, all-purpose, garlic, paprika. So shake up this. Alright. Alright, so in the pot we're gonna add some vegetable oil. This is how I normally test my oil to know if it's hot. You sprinkle a little of the flour. It's like how it fizz fast, that means it's hot. If it take time move, that means it's not hot. So we're ready for fry the chicken now. So when you're gonna fry the chicken, you want to rub the chicken again just to get the chicken them to wet up properly. So when you dip them, hold on to the flour. Right. We're gonna drop the thigh them first. The thigh and the leg we're gonna fry first. Got them the order for fry. So you want to fold them over into the flour. Alright. And then you're gonna knock off the excess. So knock it to the side of the bowl. And then you drop it. Guys, now I'm gonna add the wing to the pot. it. The chicken a bun up. You know what that means? I have to turn the stove down a little. Okay guys, not because the chicken burn, that means it done cook. That means the stove leave unattended. So, I'm just take it and show you. So take out the chicken, pierce it to the sauce, right through. When you pull it out, you see that? You're making it through our gun. You're not done fry it, you want to fry some more. See that? I gotta do the same thing with the leg. Pierce it all the way through. As far as it can go. Pull it out. So this fry. I don't see nothing around like that. Normally the wing easier to fry, so and select down the wing then. The thigh normally be the hardest part of the chicken to fry. Can't put that one on stick. This one I want to stick. Ah, you see that? This was fry. Oh my god. Have to let them ground it into. So they'll go in and check again. Test again. Spray. This is the problem side. You see? Gonna fry. Yeah, put them in. Nobody spoon, should I wait until we put them in now?